Abhi, there was this study by Charlotte Littlewood, this Henry Jackson Center,
Yeah.
that the anti-Hindu bias in primary schools in London, especially in East London, has risen so much.
Yeah, but why, Guru?
That's a moot point. I was in Australia last year. In the suburbs of Melbourne, Smitaji, Hindu kids are being bullied by you know who in combination. So I think it's something which is very terrible.
So again, you've just proven the study of
Correct.
NCRI right.
Correct.
DEI, diversity, equity, inclusion, this idea of victimhood, right? Everybody is a victim, and then you give points on the basis of the victimhood chart. औरत है तो 2 point, मर्द है तो 1 point, औरत and certain caste group 2 point plus 2 point, मर्द और certain caste group 1 point plus आधा point, that kind of a thing. जब आप ये इसको गोल्ड मेडल, ब्रॉन्ज मेडल, सिल्वर मेडल में करते हो तो कुछ ऊपर आते हैं, कुछ नीचे आते हैं, और फिर आपका पूरा जो ब्यूरोक्रेसी है वो हर जगह जाके एक भारत के बहुत पॉपुलर जर्नलिस्ट हैं जिनको बहुत अच्छा लगता है सबको पूछने को कौन जात हो, तो वो जाके सबको पूछते रहते हैं कौन जात हो, तो वहाँ की जो ब्यूरोक्रेसी है वो जाके कौन जात हो कर रही है आपके साथ, उसके काउंटर इफेक्ट्स हो रहे हैं. सो इवन व्हेन यू आर इन अ राइट विंग स्कूल लाइक अ क्रिश्चियन स्कूल, or even when you are in a public secular school, both the sets ask you the same question, and that's why this hatred and questioning against Hindu children, whether it's in Canada, it has happened now in Canada. I have personally witnessed it in my first ever talk in Toronto, Canada 3 years ago. There were 2 young kids who came up to me and they told me, "Uncle, we want to talk to you." And I spoke with them, obviously taking their father's permission, and they said, हमको अभी स्कूल में हमारे हिंदू होने के लिए मजाक उड़ाया जाता है. मुझे नहीं मालूम वो बच्चों की जात क्या थी, मैंने पूछी भी नहीं, ना मेरा कोई लेना देना है, मेरे लिए बच्चा तो बच्चा है. बट दिस इज हैपनिंग इज बिकॉज एट द रूट कॉज व्हेन यू गो फिशिंग फॉर आइडेंटिटी एंड व्हेन आइडेंटिटी बिकम्स योर एसेंस, आप आइडेंटिटी पॉलिटिक्स है ना इज नेसेसरी but not the only thing. See, identity politics has to be part of the baggage, cannot be the baggage. And the biggest problem that has engulfed the entire Western discourse now is their entire politics, thanks to the dominance of academia on the political discourse of the West, is identity politics. And this caste is just a side effect of that.